Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this Vauxhall Corsa SRI. Now you do of course get front parking sensors, full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition that you do get. Then coming around to the rear, we've also got your rear parking sensors. Into the tailgate, you've got plenty of room inside of here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have your full black cloth with your red accents as well. You then get Isofix mounting point to the bottom, full electric windows all round. Into the front of the car, we then have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your stop start off, sports mode, lane keep assist, interior monitoring, parking sensors off, and your child locks. You then get your air conditioning controls just here. Up to the main display. In here we have your various audio sources, which you can see here. Satellite navigation can be activated once you do plug a device in, so you can use your Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Then we've got your cruise control on the left, audio controls to the right, including voice assistant and Bluetooth hands-free. You can then control the onboard computer on your indicator stalk just there. And as you can see, this Corsa has done 27,647 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Vauxhall Corsa, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.